I have a couple quick follow-ups, Secretary. Imported seafood comprises about 80% of all seafood consumed in the United States. But if these products are found to be unsafe, contaminated, for example, with radiation, true story, currently FDA is unable to confiscate it. Should we give the FDA the authority to confiscate unsafe imported foods to basically prevent it from being imported through another port and bypassing our customs officials? Would you agree that that would be a good authority for the FDA to have?
Yeah, you should have that authority. The same thing is true of vape, Senator. They do port shopping. Because EPA cannot confiscate those adulterated products, they're not legally allowed to. The ships come into one port, EPA then blocks them, then they go to another port, and they're now coming from a U.S. port, so there's no inspection, and it is completely ridiculous.
We're going to work to give FDA that authority, and I thank you for your agreement. Next, this builds upon something that Senator Hawley asked earlier. The reports of federally funded community health centers performing gender transition services on children and vulnerable adults. Now, earlier this year, bipartisan, Congress gave record funding to community health centers, and we'll have to decide providing more at the end of the year. Were you aware of these reports about health centers performing gender transition services?
No, and I've strongly supported the extra funding to the health centers. This is the first I'm hearing of that.
Got it. Now, can I ask you if you could further assess if these health centers have violated federal laws or policy? The ironic thing is, I'm told DOJ, Department of Justice, actually defends these folks in lawsuits. So they are disobeying an executive order not to do this, and then DOJ defends them. So it would be nice to unravel that, and I appreciate where we're
That would shock me, but I've been shocked before, but I just can't see DOJ at this time doing that. Maybe
under the Good Samaritan provision.
All right.
We'll be sending a letter about this, and I look forward to working with you.
I look forward to hearing about it.
Support journalism you trust. Support PBS News. Donate now, or even better, start a monthly contribution today.